Well, only one I could get done today was this one. I mean, I could keep working, but I still got videos to edit and that kind of stuff. I'm not getting too far behind. I'm really not. So that one's done. This one's done. This one needed a lot of work done. This was there was a lot to do. Sorry about that. I had to do all the steering linkages. I replaced all of them. All new shiny steering linkages on both sides. And then I had to align the tires. And I'm telling you, I think I finally got the alignment. That one still looks like it's towed in a little bit. Let's take a look at this. They're never ever perfect. Yeah, that looks pretty good. But I mean, they always look a little goofy. See, that one looks towed in. So but you also got to make sure the steering wheel is straight when you do it. Make sure this is down at the bottom. Had some bad news on this thing. I ordered the part, the PTO. I sent in the serial number and everything. Took a picture of the serial number, sent them the serial number, the whole thing. And they sent me the older model PTO. So I had to return it. So I won't be able to work on that one until next Monday. That's a little bit frustrating. So, I mean, what are you gonna do? Tomorrow I'll work on this one. It needs a new carburetor. Change oil a few times. Let's hope that's all that one needs. I got this one in. It's just a service. Just oil change and filters and sharpen the blade, spark plug, that kind of stuff. So that won't take long. And we'll actually probably do that one tomorrow also. So I got two of them done. And then this one just showed up, and all he wants is deck spindles. He was very clear, that's all he wants. So I looked, he's driving this over. Oh, I was like, uh-oh. I mean, it's being held on with bungee straps. What are you gonna do? Whatever he wants. So I need to cover the beast. It's starting to drizzle. The guy with the red mower is supposed to come by today if it doesn't storm, he said. It's hard to do one-handed. I tell you, the hardest part of this job is putting the tools away every day. Because I just spread them out everywhere. I just make a huge mess. So I try to put them away as I go, and believe it or not, if I didn't, there'd be a lot more tools out here. Well, I think I'm missing a torque screw. That's a bummer. What did I do with that? Let's hope that shows up. I do that a lot. I lose tools. And I don't understand how, because everything stays in this area. There it is. I found it. See? Aggravating. But that's why I put it away every night. Otherwise, I would lose a lot. I wouldn't even remember what I had out, much less find it. That red mower had a mouse in it and made a mouse nest. So I had to get the mouse nest out. I had to take the shroud off. And then I got in there and it had chewed up the ground wire. So the mower wasn't shutting off correctly. So I knew there was a problem with the ground wire as it was. But as soon as I saw the mouse nest, I knew that's what had happened. Those mice, I mean, that's like free money in this business. That mouse, you know, I make this joke. He goes around and does all the hard work so I can make the money. Well, I guess he's not going to come. It's raining. Well, I gotta run out in the rain, but I don't want to. Gotta take all this back to the camper. Okay, I gotta pull this back in underneath the tarp here. Rain's slowing down. Bummer. So I'm staying pretty busy. I mean, you know, getting a mower or two a day. Let's see, yeah, yesterday was Monday, so, yeah, Monday, so Saturday, so I picked up the mower Saturday, or Friday, Saturday, Monday, and today. So that's not too bad. I'm getting some stuff in. So I feel like we went from just, that's the thing, is you go from dead nothing to just overwhelmed. It's kind of amazing. So I got, what, 3 mowers sitting out there now? One, I got the zero turn, I got that Poland, I got this push mower. So I'll get 2 of them done tomorrow. And then I just gotta wait on that zero turn. And the Poland, I think the parts show up on Thursday. And that's gonna be a quick job. That won't take any time to do. So, yeah, just pumping them out. You know, I got so many so fast, I was worried that I was getting overwhelmed. And then I had that zero turn with the wrong part, and I thought, man, I'm gonna get so backed up, I'm not gonna be able to keep up. But then I relaxed and I thought about it for a minute, and the part didn't show up until 11 o'clock yesterday. So, you know, it was already really late in the day before I could do any work. So I pulled that Craftsman in. I worked on the steering column and I stopped for the night. And then today I resumed. I did the service, adjusted the valves, put the deck belt on, and then I got that mouse nest out. And that was an all-day job. I mean, until about 1:30. I mean, I still got some hours left in the day, but usually I try to wrap up, you know, around 2 or 3. That way I can get the tools put away. I can call the customers, let them know that their mowers are ready. It gives them time to get out here and pick up mowers. So my day's not really over with. I'm just not working on lawnmowers at the moment. And like last night, you know, I was busy all day. We watched a movie, and then I came out at 7 o'clock and I got that steering put on. But I spent another hour trying to get that alignment. That was strangely difficult. I didn't expect it to be so hard. I get it. I drive it around for a minute, it feels fine. I come park it and one of them's cocked in. I'm like, well, that doesn't make any sense. It was running fine just a minute ago. So let's hope I got it this time. I mean, I can't do much more. They're pretty far extended out. So about the only thing I could do is start adjusting the steering wheel to make it, you know, if one side fell, you know, if I got one side too far out or something. But I don't know. He had a lot of work. I was really shocked. I mean, he takes care of that. Well, I don't know if he takes care of it. He uses it a lot. I don't know. He takes care of it better than most people. Let's put it that way. He did a service 2 years ago. I did the service on it. He did a service again this year. So, you know, about every 2 years. He's got a lot of hours on it. It's a 2019. So it's 7 years old, but it's got 880 hours. So, and he said yesterday, he's up there in age. I think he's well into his 80s, nearly 90 years old. And he said, you know, I can't do much anymore. So, except mow. So I just go out and mow. And man, I mean, his lawn's always mowed. He mows a lot. So I guess I'm going to jump off of here. So if you'll click this up next box, take the video over to my other channel. Really appreciate it. Go check it out. So if I can inspire you, stay busy so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.